delicious. I can't talk with my mouth full. Hello everyone, Alex here from Everyday Foods Cooked Every Day. Today I'm cooking burritos. Easy to make, family loves them, they make a great snack when you have friends over. What can go wrong? Eating too much, of course, that's what can go wrong. Anyway, let's start. Bon appetit. Very easy recipe. All I need to do is finely dice these onions and then cook it out. Won't take long at all. Okay, so let's start with the onions. And I'll get back to you when I have finished dicing the onions. There we go. The onions are diced. And next thing we do is gonna fry the mince. I'll put some olive oil in the frying pan, and now for the mince. I'll cook that off and I'll brown it off. And there you can see it, the water is being evaporated. That's what I want. Once the water's evaporated, I'll keep cooking it, keep mixing it until some of the caramelization starts to occur. It's already actually started happening. And from then we'll add the onions. It's progressing along quite well. And notice I haven't added any seasoning, salt or pepper. I'll do that later, I'll adjust that later. Simply because of all the ingredients that are going to go in here. Some of them have got a lot of salt already, so I'll wait. I don't want to over salt it. Next I'm going to add the onions. So in goes the onion. And mix that in. Cook it for 2-3 minutes. And then we'll add the spices. The onion is done. Next we add the cumin. Here we go. There we go. The cumin. In goes the paprika. And the chili, which I'll be adding more in my own burrito. That's only half a teaspoon of chili seeds there. So I mix that in. For about a minute and a half. It's ready to go. So the next thing I'll do is add the tomato. Mix it in. This is canned tomato fillet. Amazing quality. And we'll cook that through a little bit. And once the tomatoes are starting to break down, I'll have a taste and add salt or pepper if required. Tomato's been cooking for about a minute. So now I'm going to add half a can of corn. This is a full can, so I'm only going to put half of these in. And a can of black beans with their juice. Continue cooking. Mix it nice and mix it thoroughly. And once it comes to temperature, I will check the seasoning. It's all mixed together. So now I'm just going to take a quick taste to see if the seasoning's nice, correct. Definitely needs salt. So we'll put the salt in. And the chili's not too bad, even though there was only half a teaspoon of it. So, but I'm going to add some pepper as well. That will bring out the flavours even more. And mix that in. Give it half a minute, and then we'll taste it again. It's looking okay. Let's just taste that seasoning one more time. Maybe we need a bit more adjustment. Nah, pepper's fine. There's enough salt there. That'll do. I'll continue cooking it for another few minutes, and then we're ready to plate up. This is ready, but what I sometimes do, and it's wholly your choice, get some lime and squeeze some fresh lime in it, just to give it another layer of flavour. And that's it. Mix it in, and this will be ready to go into a burrito with some cheese and salsa and all sorts of other goodies, and we'll go from there. There we go. The mixture is cooked. I've got a burrito ready to go, and now I'm going to put it all together and I'll show you how I do it. First I do is I'll get some cheese. This is a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar, and sprinkle a little bit on the base. Next thing I do is put about half a cup of them, maybe more, a little bit more of the mixture in the burrito. I think I'm pronouncing it okay. And what I like to do as well is put another layer of cheese on top. And a little bit of salsa. You can put guacamole in there, you can put sour cream, just it's up to your taste. Everyone's different. So there's the mixture. Now I'll just fold it. And there it is. And next it will go in a frying pan or the oven. If I had a lot, I'd put them in the oven, but since I've got one, I'll put it in the frying pan and brown it off. Just put a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny little bit of olive oil in there. And in goes the burrito. I'll put it on my hand. Mix it together. And then what I'll do is I'll cook this side and I'll turn it and cook the other side. By then the cheese will be melted and it would be ready to eat. So we'll get back to you then. And it's cooked on one side, so now I'll just turn it over. Look at that colour. And then we'll finish it off on this side as well, and then we'll serve it. Let's cut this in half. Have a look. There you go, it's cooked. It looks delicious. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed what I made. If you did, can you consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button? I would much appreciate that. Anyway, goodbye for now, and till our next video, bon appetit. Bye.